Hi everyone, welcome to Kalwas. I'm your host Dr. Haider Shah. Today we have taken up a very interesting topic that is for PhD students that how to utilize their time effectively in this coronavirus lockdown. So today we will be giving you a very important tips that you could use your time very effectively and efficiently. The purpose of this video is to guide you people how to utilize your time efficiently and effectively. And no doubt that because of COVID, there's a lot of problem, and particularly students are suffering a lot. So the first tip which we give you is the take advantage of your flexible schedule. You have a flexible schedule. You are working from home. Even if you are working full time or part time, you have the liberty to work at home. So you can take advantage of your flexible schedule and to improve yourself. The second thing important is the attend webinars, the online workshops, and all these stuff. You have to improve yourself, and then you have to watch the different speakers, experts, and professionals to learn from them, listen to them, and try to improve your understanding regarding your own topic and your own area of research. The third important tip is to read more, do extensive literature review. What we usually say to different the students is that research starts with the literature review and ends with literature review. The more you go through the literature review, the more you will learn and understand what is happening in the field, what are the different patterns, what are the different trends, and how people conducted their research, what were their strengths and weaknesses, all these things. So the more you read, the more you will have a good command on your topic. The fourth important tip is to work on methodology. Yes, methodology is very important section. You need to have an alignment with your research question and objectives. How your methodology serves your research question and objective, that is very important thing. And learn research design, which research design suits your study, and which research type you have to follow, which methodology fits more, and why. You must have answers for these questions. Okay, the fifth important thing is to work on analysis techniques. You must have a very good command on analysis technique because you have to run the different analysis. You must know the different methods, which are the different tests to run, and what are the interpretation of these tests, because you will get the numerical values for that. Even if you are doing the qualitative, again, you have to study the different themes and patterns. So you need to learn that how you are going to interpret all these things, so improve your analysis part. And the sixth important tip is to enhance your capabilities, how to discuss the results. Most of the time we find a very good results, but the problem is that how to write the results, how to interpret it properly, and how to discuss it, how to correlate all these findings to your literature review and to your research question and objectives. So improve your that part. And final step, the seventh step, is the write-up. So improve your English and then use more research tone and research terminologies. Most of the time, people use the normal English, which is not recommended because it is academic writing. So you must improve your academic writing, use the research terminology, and use the research tone, which is very important. You must speak like a researcher, and when people read your piece of work, they must have an understanding that they are reading the researcher article. So I hope this video will help you and wish you good luck for your PhD or master research degree. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel because many more sessions are coming. And if you have any suggestion for us, do write in comment section, or you can email us through the info@kalwas.com. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.